I'm here in the house of Koso, the family that crowns the Alaafin. And we are together with the family of the last Mohbad that died, Oyedemi, Oyedele that died. And we are together with the family. We are together with the brother of the father for the Mohbad that died, and with the brother. Baba Ekasa, kini urukoyin? Oyedele, Oyedemi. Baba urukoyin? Oyetunde, Oyedemi. Baba, how old are you, Baba?
You don't know because these people go up to the writing.
You don't know the age.
Yeah.
But Baba, were you there by the coronation of Kabisi Oyedemi III? Ladigbolu. What about Oyedemi II? What about Ladigbolu Lawani? So Baba, you must be maybe 150. Around 150. This Baba has been present in 4 coronations of the Alaafins. He was in the coronation for this Alaafin, from the other king Ladigbolu, from the father of this king, and from Ladigbolu Lawani. So this Baba is around 150, I believe. Baba, I just want to make some questions about the coronation of the Alaafin in Koso. When the Alaafin is going to be crowned, without the crown to be given in Koso, does he have the authority to be the Alaafin? Without the crown, he cannot be the Alaafin. And the crown he gets in Koso. Okay, so it's in Koso. So Baba, when they bring the new candidate to be the king, where do they bring, where Oyomisi bring the candidate? They bring it here to Bangan Koso, or they bring it first to another place?
He said you have to the one place for the sleep. Early in the morning, you need to be going to the carry him in the one place.
And that place, what is that place? Baba, where? Eshu. So he goes to Eshu first. Okay, by that place, by Eshu. Eshu Koso. Enu, what is the name? NOD for Eshu. So Baba, after bring the new candidate for Eshu, what happens?
When the for him.
There. After.
He sent him to the carry him for the soup in Oyedele to the bring him to.
And who bring him?
But Talenity Olomo Walaton. He sent his Magbani to the.
So Oyomisi bring the new candidate to Eshu. There he will sleep, and then Mogba will bring it to the Bangan. Correct? It's inside the Bangan Shango in Koso that. I don't want to know the rituals, I don't want to know. But it's there that Mogba will do all the rituals and the initiation for Shango and crown the new Alaafin. Okay. So it's there.
He sent only for him or Magbani to the enter. Or your missing, everybody need to stay in the front. So need to do to you.
Okay, everybody stays outside. It's only Magba Koso that enters with the new candidates and do all the things. Initiation for Shango, all the rites, and to give him the crown. Baba, what is the name of the crown? Adenu is the name of the crown that they give. So, Baba, after give to the crown, he comes out. Is when he becomes the king.
He said yes. After he said he's king.
See, and from there he go to the palace.
He go to the palace directly. He dancing.
He does everywhere. Okay. Baba Eshegan.
Esta entrevista é feita ao Baba Oyedele Oyedemi, o membro mais velho da família de Mogba Koso. A família do Mogba Koso em Oyo é a única família que possui o conhecimento tradicional e o poder para coroar os Alaafin. A família Mogba Koso é a única família que tem o poder de entrar no santuário principal de Xangô em Koso em Oyo. Baba Oyedele não sabe a sua idade, mas coroou os 5 Alaafins, e acredita-se que tenha mais de 130 anos. Esteve presente na coroação de 5 Alaafins, Laoniagogo e Jala, em 1905. Alaafin Siambola Ladigbolo I, em 1911. Alaafin Adeniran Oyedemi II, em 1944. Alaafin Ladigbolo, em 1956. E o atual Alaafin Oyedemi III, em 1971. Ele explica que um novo Alaafin, antes de ser coroado, é sempre levado primeiro para isso, em Koso. Depois, o Mogba Koso o leva para dentro do santuário de Xangô em Koso, onde todos os rituais são realizados. Mogba Koso realiza sozinho todos os rituais de coroação. Oyomesi e todo o público ficam do lado de fora esperando o novo Alaafin coroado. 3 cabaças diferentes seladas serão apresentadas ao Alaafin por Mogba Koso e apenas uma será escolhida. A escolhida definirá o tipo de reinado que Alaafin alcançará durante sua vida. Mogba Koso é a primeira pessoa a chamar o Alaafin de cabeça. Koso é poderoso. O conhecimento tradicional ainda está lá guardado até ao dia de hoje.